So hello everyone, my name is Shivani Satish Ibare, roll number 20 MT322. Let's go to the Proteus. In the Proteus, I will open sample VSM AVR. Then I will select Arduino and I will select 22nd one VSM AVR Arduino TH222 humidity and temperature sensor board. This is the Arduino capture board. This is temperature breakout board and these are the terminals. Let's go to the source code. In the source code, I already added some statement pin mode 13 output and then next these statements to run this code. If temperature is less than equal to 15 degree and the humidity less than 25, then the LED will glow for 1 second. Humidity greater than 60, then LED will glow for 0.5 second. If temperature greater than equal to 28 and humidity less than 25, then LED will glow for 1 second, and if the humidity is greater than 60%, then LED will glow for 0.5 seconds only. Let's go to the schematic capture. I will edit some properties, and I will make humidity to be less than 25, so I will make it 20, and temperature to be less than equal to 15, so I will make it 20. Okay, let's see. By run the simulation, then you can see here the LED will glow after 1 second correctly. Yes, let's edit some properties more. Let's stop it and edit it again. This time the temperature will remain constant and I will make changes in humidity to be greater than 60, so I will make it 85, enter, and then again run the simulation. This time LED will glow after 0.5 second. Yes, LED glowed and it will be next glow after 0.5 second. Yes, let's stop it and edit it again. This time the temperature will be greater than 28, so I will make it 30, and actual humidity will be less than 25, so I will make it 20. Now humidity is 20 and temperature is 30. Okay, now this time the LED will glow after 1 second in regularity, so I will run the simulation. Yes, the LED will glow after 1 second. Let's edit, let's stop it, stop the simulation. This time the temperature will be greater than 28 and humidity will be greater than 60, so I made this 80 and this 30. Okay, so let's run it. So in this time this time LED will glow after 0.5 second. Yes, you can see here LED will glow after 0.5 second regularly. Let's go to the second DIY project, which is of LED common cathode and RGB common cathode. So VSM AVR, Arduino, and fourth one Arduino and RGB common cathode lead. So in this I will go first for source code. In source code we have to make some changes here. So here I made some changes in this. For first part of the wave, it will be delay for 0.5 second and 1 second. In second part of the wave it will delay for 0.25 second and 5.5 second. In third part of the wave it will delay for 2 second and 4 second. Let's run this code. So I will join this to this. Thirteen part. Okay, let's run the simulation. Okay, I will make AC to DC and this 1 to 200. And then let's see here. This is 0.25 second, and then it goes for 0.5 second, then it goes for 2 second, and finally it happens. Thank you so much.